Okay. What? Pull up that. Yeah. Tune. Renowned for its exclusive dub plates. Are we on? Yeah, man, because you're looking at me by the prompter around and providing us with an amazing organization and sound system and platform for establishing many Jamaican acts. The world immortal sound, Stone Love, is celebrating half a century in the business. 50 years. Here to tell us about the genesis of the sound, its influence on Jamaican music and culture. Founder, Winston Powell, a.k.a.
Pow.
in the building with us this
Yes,
morning.
sir.
Wagwan.
It's an honor to have you, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you.
50 years.
Yeah.
All that sound in your ears, how does that feel?
It feels good.
Yeah.
You're like ready for 50 more.
You feel like you're 50 more?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know, they say being in this business keeps you young and makes you feel like you don't age, youthful exuberance, and does it feel like that to you still?
Yeah. Nothing changed.
Yeah.
You have to take care of yourself, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, man.
For sure.
Something else will take care of you.
I'm not lying. No, I'm not lying. Okay. How did it start, Weepo? How did the sound start?
It started from a small beginning, like a component set, something you play in your house. Mm-hmm. Yes. In which, to be exact, it was 34 Mullines Road. In which that era too was being dubbed like a party era. Which you have Sambira Club, Roadhouse, Studio 7, all these places.
Anybody in your family played music? Where the influence came from? Where your love of music came from?
Yeah, my father. He didn't play no instrument, but he was a promoter. Yeah, which was in Manchester, Mispa Cheapside, in which every holiday he would do these events with merry-go-rounds and all those things. And he was a very good dancer of quadrille. Yes. So you know them maypole thing and all them something. So I was exposed to the music from early days in which I take a likeness for it. And it so happened that I migrated to Kingston with the influence of a close cousin of mine, which is named Charles Reed. He's no longer around, but he was, at the time, before he passed on, he was the principal at Kingston Senior.
Okay.
And at one time, Charlie Smith.
Okay.
So while he was going to college, Michael, he was the one that he built the first speaker box.
Wow.
Yeah, so the evolution starts from 34 Mullines.
Yep. Wow. I remember as a little boy going to dances, and it was one turntable. And when the tune done, you dance, you have to stop and turn on and watch the selector,
and just load the next
take
one.
it off. And that used to go on when you started, or
yes, that was there.
Just one turntable.
One turntable.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it was way up top too.
What do you mean, way up top?
Yeah, yeah, it's not like it would be at the level, at your waist level as it was.
So you have to climb up for change the record?
Yes.
But why?
How
But why? Why was it so high?
Because they used to put it on top of the amplifiers.
Okay.
With those amplifiers was like homemade.
Yeah.
Homemade amplifiers.
Some big amps.
Yeah.
Some big something where, like the chair, which only producing 100 watts.
Yeah. Now when Stone Love plays, 40,000 million people come. At that time when you started, what kind of crowd you used to get at that time? People used to party like how people party now, them time?
Yes, man. Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So you get full house at night time?
Full house. With a lot of these sessions used to be house party thing to you.
Okay. Who was the big sound when you started?
There was a lot of big sounds around, like King Tubby's.
Okay.
And you have Arrows.
Yeah, man.
Kilimanjaro was out there too. Black Scarf, yeah.
So when you come
But
in...
the main song
Yeah.
that I really idolized was Gemini.
Gemini.
Yeah.
Why?
Gemini.
Why?
He's the one that rules. Like our Stone Love rules.
So how did you build Stone Love? Because coming out at that time with all these other existing songs, to build a name for yourself takes time, takes years, takes skill. How did you get Stone Love to become a household name?
It was a lot of work, in which it wasn't a one-man thing either. In which the whole influence too, with the building process was like my cousin, Charles Reed, which I can't forget him.
Yeah.
Because like he used to hang out at places that Gemini plays. So this particular place in Richmond Park, a lady used to have a bar over the name Carol. She migrated to New York. And so he asked Carol for us to get a play there. So,
Cousin give you a boss.
Yeah.
Carol give you a boss, really.
Yeah, give you a boss.
Yeah.
So from there on, we were being introduced now to a promoter who used to be around Gemini Son, Sassafras, who sent us now to a next promoter named Coffinhead, Noel White.
Coffinhead. Right.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, he was from Wildman Street, but there was a little lane beside School of Nursing, half a tree road, Manalchi Lane. But it would have taken me probably 50 years to tell you.
We don't have the time. But in recent, sorry to jump in now, but in recent time, how tough has it been for you? Because things did lock down, no music now play. How difficult was that for you the last couple of years?
It's been very, very tough. In which like Stone of fraternity, it wasn't like a normal thing. It's an institution which we've been training a lot of young guys. Yeah. And the whole thing crumbled, in which all now Stone Love is not yet on the road with a physical sound system.
Why though? Why though? Because things open up back though.
It opened, yes, but a lot of things have been changed.
So you don't play at Burlington? You usually have a little Wednesday night or
It
something.
continue. Yeah. Which this year it makes it 20 years in existence. So during COVID, we have a community bar, like 6 of us, 10 of us, we play dominoes with hold it.
Yeah.
But like
big thing, yeah.
This COVID thing has hurt me so bad that it's going to take me time to really put back myself together. In which I cannot come back with the normal thing that I used to do. I have to have a think now. What next?
Everything has to be done differently. Everybody has had to rethink from COVID. Right. 26th and the 27th, you were in Bermuda with the celebratory party.
Yeah, that's where the 50th.
Yeah, how was that?
Started, which it was great.
Yeah, that must have been nice to be able to go and be amongst people, and maybe I remember when things were better.
Yes, it was nice, like say, being back with the people once again. Yes, in which...
Regine, we have to go. Anything will last so long must be great. Simone, congratulate you at this time.
Thank you.
Congratulations. I mean, to withstand the different sound system where come and the different selectors, and you are still Stone Love, and people still ask for it.
And the motto remains, Stone Love stands alone.
Hey!
Hear that purr there because I'm thinking, and that him come with,
Enough ews this morning.
I would echo it, and say, no. Yes, never.
And I pray that you will get back to where you were very, very
sure. For sure.
Yeah, man.
Big up.
Founder of Stone Love, Winston Powell. They call him Wee Pow. G-Fuss, you were supposed to be here.
Yes, my boss,
Camperdown, man.
Cha.
G-Fuss, All right, up next we head into the kitchen. Well, Sim to serve up an